Hi, hello student. Today I'm going to teach you about the lattice method. It is an alternative method of applying other than the traditional way of multiplying. So today I'm going to show you an example of 216 times 153. Since both the numbers are a 3-digit number, you would want to create a 3 by 3 square to start off. And then on this side and the side over here, you would want to to put your numbers by each of the squares. It doesn't matter which number goes on each side, but you have to write the numbers 216 times 153. And then now you would want to draw lines, diagonal lines that go through the corners of the squares like this. All right. And now you are ready to multiply your numbers. For example, and you have to write in the boxes, the corresponding boxes, what the product of the two combined numbers are. So in this box, it would be 6 times 1. And 6 times 1 is equal to 6. And then on the upper part of the box, it would be what's in the tens place. And the lower part of the box, it would be what's in the ones place. And since 6 times 1 is 6, that would technically be 0 in the tens place and 6 in the one place. So you would write 0, 6, and then 1 times 1 is equal to 1, so that would be 0, 1, and 2 times 1 is equal to 2, so that would be 0, 2, and 6 times 5, that would be 30, so we would write 30, 3, 0, 3 is in the tens place and 0 is in the ones place. 1 times 5 is equal to 5, so that would be 0, 5. So 0 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. And then 2 times 5 is 10. So 1 in the tens place and 0 in the, I mean 1 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. And then 2 times 3 is 6, so 0 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. 1 times 3 is equal to 3, so 0 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place, and 6 times 3 is 18, so 1 in the tens place and 8 in the ones place. And then the next thing we do is kind of just like called down the slope, where you add in between the diagonal lines, you want to add up all the values. So in this category, it would just be 8 because 8 plus nothing is still 8. And then in this column, you would want to add like 0, 1, and 3, so you would get a total of 4. And then in this column, it would be 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 0 plus 6, which would be 20. And if you ever get a new set of tens, you would put the one here, the ones columns here, and you would carry the number in the tens place up to the next column. So in this case, 20. We would put the 0 there and move the 2 up to the next column. And then repeat the process of 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. And that would be 3. And then 0 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And 0 by itself would still remain 0. So that would be 0. And then your answer is kind of the top of the left column, and then kind of work your way to the bottom. So in this case, it would be like this digit in the hundred thousands, this one in the 10,000s, this one in the thousands, this one in hundreds, this one in tens, and this one in ones. So in this case, we would get 33,048, and that would be the product of 216 plus, 216 times 153.